The following is how to enter a regular sale. If you haven't already started a new batch, when you log into the POS, it'll automatically bring you to the Open Batch screen. The For Store field will display the store number and the name. Type the starting cash drawer amount to the right of Opening Cash Count. This will be your starting amount for the day that you give out change with. The last ticket number will be displayed to the right of last ticket number. This number can be changed or left alone. Click the Save button or press F5 on the keyboard to save. This will bring up the Enter Sales ticket header screen to begin ringing sales. If you have already started a batch and are just going back in to enter sales, it will always bring you automatically to the ticket header screen. Use the drop-down arrow to the right of Cashier to select the cashier. Example, cashier code would be the store number and POS01. So F as in Frank, 339, POS1. If the cashier is not clocked in, you'll get a message stating that the cashier is not clocked in. Note, many hex stores use generic cashiers. Use the drop-down arrow to the right of promo code to select a promo code if desired. This can be used to track promotions for advertising or coupons. So you can select a promo code or you can choose none. Type in a discount percent to the right of discount percent if customer is receiving a discount on the entire purchase. This is normally left blank. Note, this is where you would enter the 10% off for hex corporate coupons being redeemed. Click on an active field before scanning the first item. Scan the barcode from the ticket header screen with a scanner that has the auto save scan feature only. If there is not a scanner available or a scanner with no auto save feature, click on the Ticket Detail tab or press the F6 key on the keyboard. If you click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the transaction type, you'll notice the different types of transactions that you can use, such as regular sale, return, employee sale, and coupon. This particular transaction we're going to be doing is a regular sale. If you are able to scan directly from the ticket header screen, the screen will advance to the ticket detail screen with the item appearing on the screen that has been scanned. The UPC number, SKU number, size if applicable, quantity, and price will appear. It will also be defaulted to regular sale on the transaction type. Type a SKU comment in the SKU comment field if desired. Example, final sale on this clearance item. Item can't be exchanged or returned. The price field can be changed if needed by clicking on that field and changing the price. Note, permission can be set to require a password, so only managers can change permission on prices if you want to give a discount on that item. Type in a discount to the right of discount percent only if there is a discount on this individual item. Do not type in the percent sign. Example, 20% off would be 20. Type in a discount amount to the right of discount amount if there is a dollar amount to be taken off of the sale. Example, if $5 is to be taken off of the price, type in 5 to the right of discount amount. Type in a perk amount to the right of perks if the employee is to receive a perk for selling this item. Example, if the employee is to receive $5 for selling this item, type in 5. Use the drop-down to the right of Salesperson to select the salesperson that sold this item. RICS will default to the cashier code that is bringing up this sale. If the salesperson is different than the cashier, select the correct salesperson. Note, most of the hex stores use generic cashiers and salespeople. If this is a non-taxable item, click on the checkbox to the left of sales tax if this item should not be taxed. This will remove the check mark so the SKU will not be taxed. Scan the next item that is being purchased with scanner that has the auto save feature, or click on Add Item or press F10 on your keyboard with scanner that does not have the auto save feature. This will display the next UPC, SKU, size if applicable, quantity, and price. Continue this process with any additional items being purchased. To add a SKU manually without scanning, click on the SKU field to the right of SKU. Type the SKU number and press Enter, or click on the lookup, the magnifying glass, to the left of the SKU to find the SKU to select. You can look up a SKU by SKU, description, color, or supplier name at the POS. You can also use the % sign for wildcard searches. If you click on the lookup button without typing in any information, it'll bring up the first 200 results for all SKUs in order of SKU number. Use the drop-down arrow to select the size in the column field if applicable. Use the drop-down arrow to select the width or length in the row field if applicable. In most cases with the Halloween Express SKUs, you don't have the sizes listed here. Each SKU is its own size. Click on Add Item or F10 on your keyboard. Continue this process with any items being purchased. If one or more of the items that has been scanned or added to the list below need to be removed, you can click to highlight that item one at a time. It will bring that item back up on the screen above. You can click the Clear Item button. This will remove this item from the ticket. If one or more of the items that has been scanned or added to the list below needs to be modified, you can click to highlight that item one at a time. It will bring that item back up on the screen above. You can change what needs to be changed and either scan your next item with a scanner that has an autosave feature, or click on the Add Item button or press F10 to add that item. The modification will be made and added back to the list below. Click on the Ticket Payment tab or press F7 when last item being purchased has been scanned or manually entered.